What is he doing up there? Look at him. Uh-oh, going into the panel. Trying to make it so it's not so cold in here. Oh yeah, that's the one, Sparky. Just plug her in, boy. Just plug her in. It is a family affair. Look at that. Who's over there? You guys remember my wife, Tori? Ain't seen her in the videos in a while, but she is stunning as always. Give her a follow. But today, actually, first and foremost, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Woo! Oh yeah, we made it. Thank you all so much. We really, really appreciate it. Got a little celebratory the other night, and that was a lot of fun, so thank you. And today we are back again. We are heading over to the shop because we got something special for y'all. We are going to check out the new wheels and tires for the Denali, and the reason why she is with, and the boy back there, is because we're gonna go have some fun, but she is the one that bought these for me, and I don't know why.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, I love you, you're amazing. I don't know, because we really need a couch and a fridge and a bunch of other stuff, but we got rims instead. 24 chrome wheels are way cooler with mud tires. I won't show it, or probably already saw them in the intro, but now we're gonna dive over there and put them on. Take you through the process here. Shout out to Custom Offsets for the delivery, for coming through again. This is like the 5th or 6th time we've ordered from them now. But let's get over to the shop here. Not sure if Ovi's there or not. Not sure if Ovi's there or not. About choked on my food. Don't laugh at me there, boss. But anyways, we'll get over there and then follow up with you, because this road is a bumper clumper. She's like, how do you even film on this road? I don't know.
You picked the bumpiest road to film on.
Okay, well, there's that. Anyway, folks, let's get over there. Okay, we just made it. Let's see if we can hop up out of here. Looks like another trailer here. You never know what you're gonna get when you pull up to this shop here, guys. I swear. But real quick, before the Jeep gets too muddy, you gotta check this booger out. She is way clean. It's finally somewhat decent out. It's probably 45 degrees right now. Maybe the sun will be better on this side. Sneaking right around there. What is in there? Look at my phone went all the way down my pant leg. Oh my gosh, I am a mess, guys. Let's get into the shop here. I can't do this. All right, we're getting unloaded here in the shop, having a little bit of lunch. It's colder in here today. I think he's got to fill up the propane tank or turn it on. We can't figure it out, but
I'm always cold, so there's that.
There's also that, but we're having a little Subway action. I had mine on the way.
Look at this. I said double meat. He put like quadruple meat.
Quadruple meat on the salad, but gosh darn it, it looks good. Never too much. That's protein right there, boss. And then got a little bit of kids action on the TV there. What you know about it? Got to keep everybody entertained out here, but we are just getting set up here. There's the truck. Look at them old wheels. They got to go. Got to get the new ones put on. I'm freaking pumped. Gonna be awesome. It's just a great day to be in the shop as always. Thank you again, Ovi. You guys go down to Overtime Diesel, check him out. You already know the deal. Trying to get better at updating you guys what he does down there, but I think they did several transmissions this week. A lot of Dodge ones coming through there. They did 6.0. What'd he do on there? I think he did a head gasket replacement on a 6.0 down there, big lengthy job there. Also was designing a custom bed for a flatbed truck, and then also making some razor doors, some custom razor doors for customers. So just never know what he's got going on. So be sure to get a hold of him, email him, call down there to the shop, whatever you want to do. Let's get these wheels unveiled to you guys and get them put on there. I can't wait. All right, gonna need this floor jack too. Found it out in the cold. This one should do just fine. Woo-hoo! All right, and peek around the corner, and there they are. I got to figure out how we're going to unveil them. Maybe Tori will come over here and just take this blanket off and we can see them. I don't know. Nothing too crazy, but they're going to look so much freaking better on this truck. Black and chrome versus whatever's under this blanket. And over here we got all the hubcaps. Look at that, Hardcore Offroad. Nice and shiny. They're gonna look great on there. And then we have all the individual, look like little ammunition here, but they are the spiked lugs, the spiked chrome lugs. Gonna look absolutely epic. Custom offsets, like I said. Check them out if you haven't before. But anyways, we'll get these things put on once the wheels are on. They'll look great on there. What is he doing up there? Look at him. Uh-oh, going into the panel. Trying to make it so it's not so cold in here. Oh yeah, that's the one, Sparky. Just plug her in, boy. Just plug her in. Hey, why don't we go ahead and get that first wheel over here? Everybody's been dying to see them. Now that you got your Subway in you, you ready for the unveil? Let's take a look at them. They're on the other side there, boss. Let's see if they're any good. Let me get down there.
Ready?
Yep, let's see it.
2, 3.
Oh my God, them are hot. What do you think? You love them? Oh my gosh.
Thumbs up?
Yeah, holy cow, dude. Them are massive. The 24 by 12s on 33s. Nice RBP mud tire here. I know it's not street tires. I know you guys probably think they need street tires on the truck, but we want to be able to go in the dirt, sand dunes, whatever ends up this thing going on. But what do you think of the choice?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
Not as big as mine.
Not as big as hers. She got the 35s on the Jeep, but we're going 33s with this setup, and my golly, they are going to look fire. But got this jacked up here. We got the first wheel off. The old lugs are kind of on there, so taking them off one at a time. Going to set them on here. Not actually going to get them perfectly today. We just kind of want to get a rough idea of what it's going to look like. Got to level the truck back out. Got to test ride it, see if it rubs, but we'll save that for another day. We've had them for weeks now, and I'm just dying to see what it's going to look like on here, as I know you guys are as well. Got the new headlights put on last video. They look real good. Skid loader updates coming next. We'll save that for y'all, but a lot going on. Got the tools down here. Going to get the first wheel put on the truck, and then follow suit around, and we'll see how it looks. But hopefully you guys love it. Show some love in the comments. Tell me what you think. Did we get the right setup or not? What would you do differently? But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the GoPro on, and let's get these suckers on. Gosh, and the first one on, look at that booger. That looks so freaking incredible. I know you see the rust and stuff, but we are going to take care of the rest of this truck. But look at how crazy. This is going to be an absolute game changer once we get all these on there. I'm going to apologize to absolutely nobody if this ain't your style, because these look way too freaking good. You got to see them in person. But dang, what an upgrade from before. Let's keep going. Getting ready to throw the next one on, but how about them brakes? Looking brand freaking new, looking very nice. Gonna be able to stop. Them rotors, nice and smooth rotors, gotta love that. Them are absolutely in great shape. Just changed out evidently, so that is gonna be sweet. Just wanted to highlight that, but let's keep going and get the rest of these put on here. is on, folks, and what a photo finish. That looks so freaking incredible. Absolutely in love with it, especially leveled back out. Now we got to get underneath it and crank them torsion bars back down, up, down, whatever you want to do. Go ahead and we'll get that done next. That way we can get it the stance just the way we want it. But if you guys couldn't tell by the video, we did not have the original socket, so I had to use the socket that came with these wheels. And then this here, the old lug, didn't work very well, so I had to rip them out. It got stuck every single time. Then I had to take this extension, put down through there, hit it with a hammer, and knock it out every single lug every time. What a workout. I'm sweating my butt off. Got a real mechanic under the truck now. Set her down. Holy cow, let's check the stance now after that. That looks absolutely incredible. You guys approve over there? That's a 2 thumbs up. Thank you again. She bought them for me. She is amazing.
Lucky dude.
Brady, there you go, boss. Thank you for that.
Can't lose it.
Ovi, wherever he went, he ran off. But boy, next we got to put those fender covers in, but we're not going to do that today. Today was all about the test fit. Honestly, it even looks like it might turn. It doesn't look too bad. We'll see how she goes once we get it out for a rip. We're not quite ready yet because we're all blocked in by other stuff, but by golly, that is the money shot right there. That looks so dang good. Love it. All right, so again, you can see right there the RBP 33 by 12.5 50R 24s right on there. Absolutely incredible. It's the Repulsor mud tire. You can see right on there. Look at the meats on that tread, boy. And honestly, you can check the lip. It really doesn't poke out. We're not gonna hit any curbs anyway, but if you were, you look like it'd be pretty safe. I don't think we're gonna put the hubcaps on today, boss. Probably put them on next time. Okay, okay. You know, but anyways, we can set one on there. Maybe for the video's sake, right there, huh? Just so it gives you the right idea. That's about what she's gonna look like. All right, well, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today. Looks absolutely incredible. Can't wait to fine tune it. But for now, great job. Mama, you're amazing. Thank you so much. That was fun, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Great time down here at the shop as always. Watch the video, click the video. Oh, you're watching the video, aren't you? Duh. Anyways, make sure, where is it? Gotta find that subscribe button, gotta hit that, boy. Gotta get that, like that video, because we got a lot more stuff coming, but we gotta get on the road. But look at how it is leveled back out. This thing is menacing, especially with the front end, the new headlights, the grill, the chrome, mirrors, just everything looks so good under this truck. I can't freaking wait to keep going. Stout cruising. What a gorgeous day, Mama.
Very nice.
Yes, thank you for being out here.
Yeah.
So fun having Mom at the shop, isn't it, guys? Look at these yahoos. We'll catch up with them next time. I don't know what they're up to. Look at them. Always tinkering with stuff. What you got doing? Welcome back to, look at it, Harbor Freight again. Why can't we get away from here? Again, we had a good experience here last time, so we are back again. We do need to pick up a torque wrench because we have a socket. Look at that socket, boy. All right, and another success. Look at this bad boy. Look at this Quinn 1/2-inch torque wrench. I know it ain't a snap-on. Ovi's got a freaking snap-on bill a mile long. He told me I gotta pay off my snap-on bill. I don't. I got these Quinns, boy, nice and cheap. No offense, but we'll see if it works. I know it's not the same quality as them fancy snap-ons, but it even comes with a little molded case. That is super epic. Dang, this is way fancy, actually. I'm impressed. Look at this. Custom case, little certification. Come on, focus, boy. Certification of calibration. Wow, I love it. Boy, that thing is nice, boy. And there you can set it to each foot-pounds. I don't know what this one's good for. Let's see, up to 250. And then that should do a little clicky action. Oh my golly. That is super solid, folks. I'm Go all the way on there. That ain't even on there, boy. They are snapped right on. Not snap on, but it is snapped on the Quinn, boy. Let's get this sucker back. Get them wheels loaded up so we can get over to Ovi's shop tomorrow and put on our new freaking wheels. Harbor Freight for the win. Let's go.